Hey everybody, Bigfoot here with Bigfoot Videos. So in today's video, I'm actually going to start getting this cardboard underneath this metal behind me in the garden area, and I'm going to start moving that mulch on top of the cardboard, and I'm going to leave it in the bags for now until I'm ready to open it up and spread it out. Like, share, and subscribe. Questions in the comment section. Enjoy the clip. Everybody, that's about gonna do it for today's video. So we got everything put in on the interior section of the garden, all the cardboard and mulch, and all we have to do now is just get some bags and put them along the inner perimeter of the fence line, and then that will be good. We ran out of cardboard, so and then I'll get the rest of the mulch from the pallets and put them on the exterior of the fence line. I'll probably wait until I mow so I can get that grass that I missed last time I mowed because of that plastic was there. And then once that's done, we'll be able to start breaking bags open and start planting and stuff. So if you enjoyed today's content, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Put your questions in the comment section and go check out some of the other videos. Appreciate it, everybody. Bigfoot out.